Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add GitHub Copilot in VsCode. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, we will be needing just to add the GitHub Copilot extension first into our VsCode, and after that, you will be needing to start connecting your GitHub Copilot into VsCode. So now we will be needing to go to extensions, and basically this extension here, we will be needing to search for GitHub, and basically you will be needing to search for GitHub Copilot. So from here, you will find the GitHub Copilot and there is the GitHub uh, chat. So this one is the chatbot or the chat assistant. And from here, you can start asking the GitHub Copilot some questions. And this one is the GitHub Copilot that has the autocomplete, etc. So basically, you will have, let's just uninstall it. And here you will find install. So basically, we'll be needing to click on install. And now, in my case, I will just restart the GitHub. And now we will be needing to enable it. And basically, you will be needing to authenticate. And basically, there is no access to GitHub Copilot found. And because you will be needing to have your GitHub Copilot that will be already enabled within your GitHub. And simply, we can just go to GitHub Copilot and get your account. GitHub, let's just remove that and search for the GitHub Copilot. And from here, you will be needing to already have your GitHub Copilot that will be linked to your account and click on get started for free so you can have your GitHub Copilot that will be added. So as you can see now, we are having it here. And now we can simply restart, or let's just disable and restart here and enable. And normally it should be linked successfully. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.